In October of 1952, the Bison, Harding School newspaper, announced a new experiment called the School of American Studies. This new program intended to train the leaders for tomorrow. And for the last 70 years, that's exactly what American Studies has been doing. From the outset, American Studies has intended to engage with American history, with politics and government, and with business and industry. We offer many different programs to try to engage with students on issues that are important to America. We offer reading clubs, book clubs. We offer trips within the state of Arkansas. We offer something called the Harding Leadership Forum, where we travel with students to Little Rock and engage with different speakers. We offer many programs on campus that serve as service opportunities. We each year honor the victims of 9/11 with a 9/11 memorial. We also engage with our veterans through veterans programs and a Veterans Day breakfast every Veterans Day. So there are a variety of programs that we encourage our students to engage in as part of our American Studies program. As someone who grew up in Searcy, Arkansas, it was always a unique experience to be able to come to campus and see world leaders and see business leaders and see people that we see in the news. It provided a great benefit and a great moment of inspiration for our community and our town. We also believe that it provides a great opportunity for our students to interact with and engage with these thought leaders and these world leaders on different issues. And so our Distinguished Lecture Series provides numerous benefits for our campus, for our students, and for our community. As always, we are looking forward to another great year of speakers as we celebrate our Centennial. We hope that you will check our website as we announce our upcoming programs for this year.